this workshop, like I said in the morning, it's an investment. From this workshop, for me, is a good chance to always overwhelming other people's, worse other people's in here. For me also is a good chance. But for other people in here, I would say this is also a great chance. We are off work. Nothing related. Only to learn from this section. And all the activities we done today, like bad behavior, we can immediately start. And then the improvement face to face, all these we will not have a chance during the working day to think about this. Because working day already have a lot of tasks. Everybody maybe say I'm busy, but today you should use up your brain to think. And tonight, before you sleep, see what you really get from this section. I hope everybody is enjoying today's workshop. This is a very great. Thank you again, the team, to supporting us and to organize this. And the last I want to say is I saw our team here is really strong. No matter the actions the last parts we did, even some of it is not our case, but we perform. If we really have this case, in 20 minutes, right, or 25 minutes, we have a solution. That is in our mind. So let's say this is our team is really mature, especially this leadership. Very good. Right? So that means even the actual things happens to you, like this, whatever case happens, 25 minutes we have a solution. That is what I want to see. Even we are some overactor in but this is only part, right? You will remember these sections forever because we know we cooperate together and have this together. I think this is the best part of today's section. And so I have a lot of what to say, but to save the time, I would like to thank you, team. Thank you to attend this section. Even it's early traveling and rainy season comes, I appreciate your attending. Appreciate your timing. And I hope these sections will be used in the future work and that our investment become quickly done. Okay, that's all I want to thank you all. Thank you.